kuyamba.
Mukulu twabasalako dda mbadde ekintu bakiwamba otyo tuliyo
Kasita yangamba nga bwati obulumya mu matama tegumuleka kyekimu
bannange engalo
ng'olituyisi wa mango agambye akutumidde nnyo
naye nga omukulu Gasita ye agambye ali kwagala paka
ekyo tukikubira engalo ez'amaanyi
kyakuweereza akayimba aka
kalala konka
kamu kokka laavu yo gy'omuwa bebi emumala
abange ekyo kituufu nnyo.
era ngambye obugambo buno mbukugambe akwenda ino akwagala nnyo sarangheyo mani aju te amo nakupenda sana nekirala Gasita angambye nkugambe nti igwe oli muke
enjoy your money. Kila siku inapopita inasonga
princess, my fruit from paradise, my girl. guardian angel sent from up above. Sometimes I wish I could send a love letter straight to your heart and let you know I'm yours forever. You bring me sunshine when I only see rain. You bring me laughter when I only feel pain. Girl, you know how to make me smile every day. My beautiful sweet coconut. You're my African coconut. My sweet pineapple. You're my African coconut. The girl of my dreams. My baby, come, take my hand slowly, sweetly, let me take you to a land where dreams come true. I swear my feelings for you will never change. My beautiful sweet coconut. You're my African coconut. My sweet pineapple. You're my African coconut. The girl of my dreams.
Thank you for supporting Wonders Just. May the good Lord bless you abundantly. Subscribe, share, and hit that bell for more truth videos.